We at MACSA, we started in 1983 with the idea to give solutions for the product identification markets. We are based in Manresa, which is near Barcelona in Spain. We have offices in Mexico, Singapore, China, and Portugal, and we cover around 70 countries with the products we manufacture here. All products that we normally use in our daily lives need certain identification, which is either required by law or offered by the producers, which give us information on things like best before end dates, nutrition, traceability, and all this information can only be added in the production line. So when the product is being either packaged or bottled or put it inside a can. This is what we are doing, which is provide to the food, beverage, cosmetic, pharma, car components or electronics the necessary equipment and services to be able to generate and allocate all this information in the products they manufacture. In order to know the story of MACSA, we need to go back to 1908, when our family company called Framun was manufacturing rubber stamps. So for many years, the company has been around the rubber stamp, which was the right technology at the time to put information in documents, papers, also in packages and things of that nature. Back in '83, there was a growing demand from industrial manufacturers to put information, especially in products like yogurts and water bottles and wine bottles. At this moment, the technology available was rubber stamps, and the company developed some sort of equipment based on the rubber stamp technology to deal with this information that production lines required. Very, very soon we thought that the future would be start with laser technology. So back in 1989, we decided to enter into a new technology then, which was marking and coding products with lasers. We then had our first patent back in '89, which was a world-granted patent, which was the first laser to mark and code products in a production line. Since then, we have invested a big part of our resources into developing more products and more technologies to mark and code products in production lines, to the point that MACSA is known today worldwide as a leading company to develop faster, more reliable and more accurate laser systems for marking and coding. All this development and manufacture is done here in Manresa, near Barcelona, but we have representative offices in Mexico for all Latin America. We have offices here in Barcelona for Europe, and an office in Singapore for Asia, and one in China. And through all these offices, we sell our systems in 70 countries today, and we have been growing for the last, probably since the beginning of our story. We have been growing year after year quite consistently, and to the point that today we can say that MACSA is one of the leading companies in the laser coding technology worldwide. Our future plans are mainly in two areas. One is internationalization. There's still a lot of markets where we are not present, and there's still new developing economies, especially in Africa, places in South America and Asia, where we need to establish partnerships and relations to be able to develop those markets with our products. And the second part is continue the development not only in equipment and hardware, but on complete solutions for traceability. This means software solutions, hardware, services, to be able to provide a wider range of products to our customers.